Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing a Madame Leota crystal ball. Here we have this, and this is a glass bowl, a fish bowl I bought from the 99-cent store really long while ago. I paid like $2 for this one, and this stand, I will be showing you how I made it. I used one of these ice buckets and one of these stove covers. You just glue them together with this rim on the top with E6000. You will apply the glue over here, and then you will glue this, and after that, when it's dry, you spray paint it on flat black. So we have our stand here, and it's done, and it's painted, and it's dry. Okay, first of all, we're gonna take our image and we're gonna cut around her face. We only need her face. And after we cut it, we're gonna put this, as you can see, it has some lines over here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it in the center, and those lines have to be facing the sides, like that. Okay. For that, we're gonna take our hot glue, and in the bottom, we will put a little bit just in the bottom, because on the top part, we're gonna add some tulle for it to be some sort of similar of Madame Leota's glass bowl in the movie Haunted House. So we're gonna put this against here and flip it like this. And for that matter, we're gonna use this much bunch of tulle. This was the tulle I used for a costume I made myself. This is a DIY, and this it's gonna be used as the filler for our glass bowl, because in the movie she has some green and blue and darker green as her hair. So that's why we're gonna use this tool for that. As I'm not using this tutu anymore, we're gonna be cutting the pieces of our tutu just like that and putting it inside our glass bowl. Grab and cut. You can buy the tool. I just had it like this, and I'm not using this anymore. Okay, now that it's full, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start just getting this tool on the sides of her face. We're gonna pull this a little bit like this. Now that we have her all framed by our tool, we're gonna start pushing the tool, but framing it to her face and pushing her a little bit down so she won't look like she's sticking to this, and just framing that face like that. Framed completely, and now we're gonna flip it and put it together in our stand just like this, and we're gonna work on the top part. I have here some of this creepy cloth from Walmart, and I think this is just perfect for our top part. Let me just get it. For our top part, just putting it a little bit like this, something like effortless, on top of it, like this, and put maybe a couple of this skeletons, maybe, and over here just put this. Or make it less creepy and just use this, like that, maybe like this, couple of legs over there, and we're gonna get this ready and I'm gonna show you how it turns out. I'm gonna work on this and add some flowers on the side like this, and some flowers over here like this, and work a little bit on our arrangement, and I will show you how it turns out when we're done. Okay, let's get this all worked out. I'm gonna fast forward this so you can watch what I'm doing. And this is how she turned down. You can see her stand, her two companions. They are surprised about how beautiful she turned out. And this is what I have her, our Madame Leota. Remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these types of videos. Take care. Bye.